Hey, what's up, you guys? We are at Tom's Camperland, just down the road from Orangewood. We were at in the last RV tour video. Be right back. Okay, they've got these Twilight, this is Twilight Signature series. At least from Hot Baked Italian is already in here. This is a TWS. I'm not sure. I know the S is always slide. There's Hot Baked Italian. What do you think? You've been in here a couple of minutes. What are you thinking? This got a front kitchen.
Kitchen's fantastic. I mean, my gosh, look at all that counter space and nice big window over the sink, and it's got some good storage.
Yeah, wow. Got the
Love seat, crossfit TV.
Yeah, this is comfortable. Where did I know I just saw the price of it here somewhere. Maybe it's on the outside. Kind of, what do you call this? Art Deco?
No, I don't think so.
No. Back here. Got the bed in the back, which, we prefer, the living area back here, as you guys know. It's like a king-size bed. Yeah, oh, does that come up?
Nope.
No?
Nope. But the storage down the side, here this way.
Like a drawer or something?
Open, just open underneath.
Oh.
You peek underneath the bed, it's all open.
Second door here. Bathroom looks. Let's do the shower and the toilet test here.
Yeah, I'm thinking, the back door so you can get into the bed and the bathroom.
These seems like these round ones you get more. Nice little skylight there. A little bit of counter space. Do the toilet test. It is porcelain too, so that's
good.
Yeah. Plenty of room.
2 air conditioners.
Toilet paper holder. So yeah. So okay. Thank you. You said 2 air conditioners?
Yeah, there was a thermostat wire location for second air conditioner.
Yeah, okay.
Wired for 2. I would like to see theater seating here, though.
What about it?
Theater seating.
Mm-hmm.
Recliners. That would have been nice.
Is it a recliner?
No, it's going to be a bed. I think. Oh, my mistake.
That's okay. You're allowed one. Okay. Yeah, this is a great option.
How long was this one?
It's a 28, so probably total about 32, 33 feet, something. Oh, there's a price. That's where I saw the price. Oh boy, this is light too. $35,000 and only 7,000 pounds. Yeah.
And it has the one big storage up front, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see what else Tom has. Okay. This is a Coachman. Apex Nano off-grid. All right, we definitely want to go off-grid. Nice long awning up there. A little smaller than we want. It's rear dining. That's and yeah, I just kind of wanted to step in here and see what this off-road package thing is. Looks like pretty tight in there. Oh, it definitely do. It would definitely do. Not for us, though. What you got there? Is that a rear living? Bunkhouse. Looks like it's got an outdoor kitchen, which we'd like. I want to pop my head in one of these big pickup bed campers since we got that new truck. Look at these things. Yeah, that looks like it's probably a long bed one. Oh, that's sold. Sold. Well, okay, maybe we won't go in them. How about this Lance here? Oh boy, that's, yeah.
Sold.
Yeah. Sold?
Yep.
Wow, okay. Okay, yeah, we decided to, before we leave, to stop and see this this fifth wheel, 31 RL. So it's, oh yeah. I mean, we're 90% sure we're going to go with the travel trailer, but this is always an option. That's beautiful. Oh yeah. What do you think of this?
It's very nice. Love the big fridge.
The fireplace.
Residential oven. Yeah, a nice big oven. 4 burner stove. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that is a residential oven.
Huge.
Full size
Microwave.
residential size fridge.
Yep. Pantry.
Yeah, they don't have power to these rigs here, so I can't turn on any lights for you guys. Oh, I love all the windows.
This is a nice shower. It's even got a seat.
Oh my goodness. Got a seat. Good counter space. Porcelain toilet. Looks like it's going to have the prime poop-in position. Yeah. This would fill the bill.
Yeah.
Did we see it?
Dryer ready.
Did we see a price on this?
I did not.
Yeah. This is. Got to show you this garage here. Look at this. You can make this another bedroom. Huge garage. Just looking to see if it had more storage or a outdoor kitchen. Yeah, this is great. 2 awnings. All right. Yeah.
It's big.
That is big. Yeah. Okay, on to Anthem RV. Well, wasn't that big fifth wheel Paradigm? Wasn't that cool? Well, that's going to be just that's out of our price range. And the way these RVs are selling today, the prices are going up. Man, oh man, I think we're gonna start looking used, which we have already a little bit. Boy, I mean, it's a competitive market out there right now. Those pickup campers, can you believe that? All but the pop-up ones, the bigger ones were all sold. So yeah, we did get to Anthem RV, but a salesperson jumped on us as soon as we got there. So it wasn't conducive to filming. Yeah, I probably should have just said, just leave us alone for a little bit. But there wasn't anything. There wasn't a rear living travel trailer there anyway. So yeah, we didn't spend much time there, and now we're back home. But so hope you guys are enjoying these. If you would like us to keep doing these while we're shopping, you know, give us a thumbs up or put a comment in there. Or if you're tired of them, seems like RV tour videos are fairly popular anyway. So we can do them till we buy, or I can quit filming them now. So you let us know. Oh, here's the big truck that be doing a video on. Yeah, you guys all probably know F-250s, but this is a pretty good one. It's 2008 with only 86,000 miles. I'll show it to you probably in the next video. So hey, I appreciate you guys. We're getting close. Please, if you need anything from Amazon, please visit my Amazon associate link. Every tiny bit helps. It's going to help us stay on the road. You know, we're probably going to be doing some work camping, if you guys are familiar with that. So yeah, appreciate every single one of you. Please share this with a like-minded person. Hit that notification bell. And here comes the garbage truck. Gonna get noisy. So anyway, God bless. We'll see you guys in the next video.